Hello everyone, this is John here once again, and in this video, I will explain how to create your own PlentyFolio from individual systems. First of all, you need to understand this. What makes the difference between a trading novice and a professional trader is the realization that you should be dividing your trading capital into many markets and systems. At PlentyTrade, we will provide you exactly with these conditions so that you can independently create your own portfolio, which we call PlentyFolio. As financial markets change on a regular basis, your job is simply to turn off individual systematics in your PlentyFolio that are no longer profitable and to replace them with new and better ones. At what intervals you make adjustments will largely depend on changes in market behavior. Since it is unlikely that a single system will work successfully for decades, it will be your responsibility to regularly monitor and, if necessary, adjust your PlentyFolio. This will make you your own financial manager. So let me show you how to create a PlentyFolio from individual systems. On PlentyTrade.com, you can find a large selection of tested and proved individual systems in the Trading System List, or TSL. Pull up the TSL via the All Systems button on the right side of the website. After opening it, you will find the currency pair selection up in the gray area of the TSL. There, you have the option to view all systems or individual systems, each separated by currency pairs, flag symbols. When you open the TSL for the first time, the topmost system is turned on as Simulation. The Simulation button in the upper gray area shows you the number of currently simulated systems in the small green field. In this case, a number 1. To start a simulation, click on the Simulation button in the upper gray area of the TSL. Subsequently, a chart window opens with all static key figures on the selected system. To add more systems to your simulation, open the TSL again. Using the slide switches in a simulation, you can combine up to 10 different individual systems into one PlentyFolio. Add a new system by turning on the sliding switch on a system of your choice. Slide to the right. You will find the summarized result of all individual systems, as if you had traded them all at the same time, in the middle section of the website, displayed as a chart with all the associated statistical key figures. With the sort function, it is also possible to click on My Simulation to display all the systems you are currently using in your simulation. In addition, you can adjust each individual system according to your individual risk appetite via the minus and plus keys. Your goal in creating a PlentyFolio should be to increase the yield over the long term and to reduce the drawdown. To test the system under real conditions, click on the green button to Demo EA for each of your selected systems. Repeat this until you have added all your systems to Demo EA. You can add up to 10 individual systems to the Demo EA. You can see how many systems you've already added to your test account using the number above the Demo EA button in the upper gray area of the TSL. Clicking on the Demo EA button will show you all the systems you are currently trading in the TSL. Naturally, risk and income are always closely related in trading. One of the most important displays at PlentyTrade is the Risk Control Indicator. This shows you the percentage decrease of your PlentyFolio. Since fluctuations in trading are completely normal, you should take this information into account when creating your PlentyFolio. Values in the green range are acceptable. The yellow area indicates a higher risk, while the red area indicates that you should reduce your risk. Using the minus and plus keys of a system in the TSL, you can adapt each system to your individual risk appetite. The greater the percentage of the risk control indicator, the higher the capital decline during the period considered. Set your PlentyFolio and the risk share of each system to meet your individual needs. Good luck creating your own PlentyFolio from individual systems.